Hi, my name is Zanele. I'm in love with the Zulu culture, and this is Appreciate Zulu. Just look at this incredible sea of color and rhythm. There is something so powerful about seeing a large crowd of young Zulu girls or Izintombi moving in such perfect harmony. You can see them swaying their bodies with such grace. This movement is often part of the Ukusina, a dance that emphasizes the elegance and femininity of a young woman. But then, notice how that grace quickly turns into strength as they stomp their legs against the ground. This stomp is a foundational element of Zulu dance, and it's deeply symbolic. In our culture, the earth is where our ancestors rest. So when we stomp, we aren't just making noise, we are literally communicating with those who came before us, waking up the spirits to join in our celebration. A fact you might not know is that in a large group like this, the dancers must stay perfectly synchronized because it represents the unity of the community. If one person is out of step, the harmony of the village is broken. As they sway, the rhythmic clashing of their beads creates a natural music that accompanies their singing, making the entire performance a living, breathing instrument. Seeing our young girls take up their cultural mantle with such joy gives me so much hope for the future of our traditions in 2026. If the energy of these beautiful Zulu girls inspired you today, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos on the Zulu culture.